Hello there, Mercy. It's been a while since she's run. What's going on, folks? I'm Renegade. This has been a while coming. Mostly because, well, weather's been crap. I mean, crap. Every day I've had off from work, it's either been raining, super windy, or super cold. It sucks. It means I haven't been able to work outside, like, at all in a while, and it's driving me nuts. One of the things I'm particularly being driven nuts about is that, as happens with cars, maintenance needs to be done. Since I'm not working in a garage, I gotta do it outside, and I gotta do it when it's light. Now, I get done work at 5. It's dark right now at 5:30. Like, by 5:30, it is pitch black out here. And it's cold, so I'm not digging. So today, I'm finally gonna get a chance to take care of a few things on the car. One of the things I've been meaning to take care of is, well, this. My fog lights are destroyed. I mean, absolutely destroyed. So, I had to get a new set. Got them, but I haven't installed them. I've had these literally for months now. I just haven't been able to install them because the weather's been so shit. Finally, I'm gonna get a chance to do it.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Now I got this stuff off the underbelly. Scoot it out of the way. Get to my wire. Look at this. Look at this. Just fucking destroyed. Oh god. Yeah, you can see the space too that I'm working in. It's not too bad, all things considered. Custom belly pan? Look at this. This is what's left though of the old. That's not good. And here you go. This is what's left of this one. Yeah, it's all sorts of messed up. Ugh. Yep. It's alright, we're gonna take care of this. This is my wiring harness. One side, two side. This is the remnants of something. I've already cut myself. Look at that. God damn. A little blood never hurt anything. Because the angle that this is all in, I had to put the screws in down. Yeah, I remember that being a royal pain in the butt. So we're gonna see if we can install it a little bit better this time. Because there's not a whole lot of clearance space where I want to put these things. We'll figure it out. But I got these driving lights. Basically fog lights. From Pilot. I don't know if they make them anymore. But they fit perfectly for my car. So I found them online. Got them. They were only like 20 bucks. But I know because I had them before, these work great, especially if you pair them with, well, we'll talk about that later. Another video down the road. Well, now I gotta see what the electrical connectors are on this to make sure I still have it on that, because I had different light bulbs and, yeah. Lets me learn. Plan your stuff out. This way you don't gotta muck around with it later on. Now when I say muck around with it, I did this project when I was pretty young and dumb the first time. I'm not sure how on earth I planned on doing this. I didn't know much at the time. I was an idiot. I was very ignorant. Yeah, I've learned a lot since then. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix all this shit that I did. Got these two wires here, positive, negative, real simple. And then we got all this, and I don't know what all this is anymore. And I can strip all this back and everything, but we're not gonna bother with that. This pain in the butt. This kit comes with a whole wiring harness, including an inline fuse. Okay, that's cool. I don't need it because my car already has a fuse because I already have fog lights. So I don't need to worry about most of this. But what I do need to worry about, I'm going to use some of the wirings. Because, yeah, that's the simple part. Cut them free. Goodbye. Goodbye, harness. Alright, so what I did, I already measured out my wire, cut it, stripped it. Actually waiting for the soldering iron to heat up. But I'm just gonna solder it in. I don't know if you can see those wires dangling right here. Solder into that. And I have my wiring harness. Now I just have to actually put the lights in. Thank heavens. I've missed having fog lights. They're very useful. The cool thing is that they give you everything you need for this kit. All your screws and your bolts, the whole 9 yards. Awesome, because I'm gonna need them. I think those are supposed to go on here. Yep, sweet. Let's get this stuff installed. Alright, now that everything's hooked up, I'm gonna dress the wires. Don't worry. The main point is, does it work? Oh, that's so nice to see. Look at that. Now I'll really be able to see everything. Awesome. That gives the car a real nice look. Don't worry, I got something I'll take care of later on, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. Don't worry about it. Now with that part done, I can actually get to the main event, so to speak. The main reason I'm out here. Okay, I wanted to have fog lights. I've had them for a while. Yeah, but that's not the main purpose of this today. The main thing is, it's been so long since I've worked on the car, it's just got a few basic problems. All cars need a little bit of TLC now and then, tune-up, oil change, etc. Well, you need a tune-up, like pretty badly actually. Way overdue, but weather's just not been conducive. First things first though. Engine cleaner. Why? Because I have an oil leak somewhere. I have to find it. And makes your engine look nice. Now, gotta let that sit for 10 minutes? Obviously, yes. I'm going to be working on this, so why did I just spray it off? Now everything's wet. I'm going to put my hands in the wet. Well, the idea is actually it's going to knock some of the grease off and make it easier for me to work on, but also now you're not supposed to spray it down while it's hot, and to do some of the work I'm going to be doing, I'm going to need the engine running. Yeah, and I'd rather be able to test drive it without having to wait, and yeah, it makes sense, don't worry. While I'm waiting for the engine compartment to dry, one of the things I'm doing is I'm taking care of these door jamb switches. These are a neutral or a ground interrupt switch. If you remember them from my motorcycle glove box light install. And one of the things you just do is you clean up the grounding area every so often because it gets a little dirty, a little funky, and you get them to work again. And of course, I've been asked on numerous occasions why I do all this. In one case, you know, why don't you just take it to a mechanic? Well, a mechanic costs a lot of money. I'd rather just do it myself. I know that it's done right. I know that it's done to my specs. And yeah, I save myself a lot of money. Another question I've always asked is, why do you keep working on such an old car? Well, I love this car. And let's face it, this car is paid off. Why on earth would I buy a new car and spend a bunch of money when I already have a car? I've got a good car. Moreover, I have a car that I actually love. That makes no sense to me. I mean, sure, there are certain things I wish the car was a little different about, you know. Certain things that I might want to change or improve upon. But, you know, hey, I love this car. Why would I get rid of it? Right now I'm just doing the spark plugs real fast. Yes, I know someone out there is going to say, hey, Renegade, you should be wearing gloves. Don't worry, I'm fine. You know, one thing I really want people to understand is, you know, just because I'm working on my car, it doesn't mean that anything's wrong with it. Sometimes it really is just a case of, hey, my car needs some TLC. It needs some maintenance. Because that's a real thing. You know, I've had a bunch of times where I've done a maintenance thing like this. Tune-up, right? It's a simple thing. Or I make mention of, you know, hey, I was working on my car. And people ask me, oh, what's wrong with your car? What's broken? Oh my God, do you need a new car? Oh my God. No, sometimes it's just maintenance, you know? You know, if you're not a car person, you need to remember that, hey, just because someone's working on a car doesn't mean something's wrong. It might just mean the car needs a little work, a little maintenance, keep it running nice. Whoops. Almost got the coil wire on. And things like I'm doing, simple. You just watch me change the cap and rotor in real time. Simple. But important. Everything on, everything in. Sweet. Only one last thing to do. Clean up, take it for a test drive. So, a couple hours working on the car. I can already tell she's running better. She's idling smoother. The acceleration smoother. And faster. I like that. You know, it really bothers me when the weather's just gray and nasty and I can't do any work. You know, I've got work I'd like to do on the XJ. I've got work to do on the Intruder. I've got work to do on the Maxim. I've got work to do on the Volvo that I want to do. But this was a necessary thing. Hopefully soon, the weather will be warming up and we'll actually get some good days to work on things. Because that's, yeah, I mean, I can't wait for that. I can't wait for good weather, actually be able to work on things, do fun things. Luckily, it's a nice day. But still. Just think, it's mid-February now, soon we'll be into March, and the nice days like this will happen all the time, but it'll be like 60, 70. Then I'll be out on the motorcycle some more. Until then, this was important. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. I know it's not as exciting as I would hope it would be, but very important things to, well, it's very important to get to work on your vehicle. And it's definitely always good when you can get it to run better. And even better when you get to make it look a little nicer. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a nice one. Y'all keep rocking and rolling. I'm going to keep taking care of business. I'll see you in the next video.